Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today discuss about motion of connected block over pulley. Okay, the first case, the case number 1. So a pulley is connected, is fixed to the ceiling. The two blocks at the string of the two ends of the two blocks in this way. This is a M1, M2 block with the blocks A and B respectively. This is the A and this is the B. Okay, in this pulley is massless. The pulley is massless. In the strings, the one force is acting along the string, that is the tensional force, and the string is connected to the pulley. This is the P pulley. Okay, then find out acceleration and the tensional force T1 and tensional force T2. Okay, so very simple in this condition. First block M1. Okay, here in this case M2 greater than M1. Okay, acceleration acting downward direction. In this side acceleration is acting upward direction. Okay, in this one, first block M1, M1G, the tensional force T1, the tensional force T1, so T1 tensional force, this is the T2, this is the T2. Okay, T1 acceleration is acting upward direction. First write T1 minus M1G is equal to M1A. T1 minus M1G is equal to M1A. This is the equation, one equation. The second one, take block M2 block, M2G acting downward direction. Okay, so T1 acting upward direction, acting along the string, and acceleration is acting downward direction because M2 block is greater than M1 block. So write the equation. First write M2G minus T1 is equal to M2A. M2A. Okay, then find out acceleration by using these two equations. Then acceleration A is equal to M2 minus M1 by M1 plus M2 into G. This is the acceleration condition in this block. Okay, the pulley is connected to the pulley. One end of the string is connected to the pulley, and another end of the string is connected to the support. Okay, the T2 is equal to 2 into T1. 2 into T1. Okay, this is the T1, this is the T1. T1 plus T1, 2 T1. Then the T1 is equal to 2 M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. So 2 M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. Then T2 is equal to 2 into T1. 2 2's 4. 4 M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. This is the condition 1. The first condition. This is the first condition. Okay, next second condition is take 3 blocks is connected to a string, so passing so over a pulley, 3 blocks. Okay, in this one, this pulley P, one block is a block of mass M1, the block is A, another end of string is connected to 2 blocks, so one by one, this is the M2 block and B, this is the M3 and this one is the C. Okay, in this system, pulley system, so let us consider, so one end of the string is connected to the pulley and another end of the string is connected, is fixed to a support, and one more thing, so let us consider, take 3 blocks, M1, M2, M3 masses of blocks, and the blocks are A, B, C respectively. These 3 blocks is connected through a string, is passing over a pulley. In this one, the string is and the pulley is massless, there is no friction between a pulley and the string. Okay, the tensional force, the same one. Okay, this is the T1 tensional force, this is also T1. Next, in this one is connected to M2 and M3 is connected with a string, that is the second tensional force. And one more thing, this is the T3. Okay, 3 type of tensional force is acting in this system. Okay, then find out T1, T2 and T3, and acceleration also find out. So one by one discuss in this one. First, so M1 block, take M1 block, the acceleration is acting downward direction, this is the upward direction, because M2 plus M3 is greater than M1. M1G, this is the T1, acceleration is acting upward direction. Write the equation first, to T1 minus M1G is equal to M1A. Next, take a block M2, this is T2 is acting along the string, and M2G is acting downward direction, vertically downward direction. So one force is acting upward direction along the string, that is a T1. Acceleration is acting downward direction. Write the equation first, to T2 plus M2G minus T1 is equal to M2A. T2 plus M2G minus T1 is equal to M2A. Next, to take M3 block, M3G acting downward direction, T2 acting upward direction. Along the string, the tensile force is acting, acceleration is acting downward direction, vertically downward direction, because M2 plus M3 greater than M1. In this block, M2 plus M3 greater than M1. That's why acceleration is acting so depend upon the weight of the object. Then write equation of third block, M3G minus T2 is equal to M3A. Okay, then find out acceleration. The acceleration is equal to force by mass. The force is the, okay, in this one force is the m2 plus m3, m2 plus m3 minus m1 into g by m1 plus m2 plus m3, m1 plus m2 plus m3 and t1. Okay, then t1 is equal to 2 into m1 m2 by, in the previous condition 2 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. Okay, in this condition 2 m1 into, okay, m2 is the m2 plus m3, m2 plus m3 into g by m1 plus m2 plus and m3. The next to t2, the tensile force, the second tensile force t2, so find out t2 is equal to 4 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into g in the previous condition. In this t2 is equal to, so 2 m1 m3, 2 m1 m3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 into g. This is the t2. t2 is equal to 2 m1 m3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 into g. Okay, this is the t2, the tensile force t2. The next to t3 is equal to 4 m1 into m2 plus m3 into g by m1 plus m2 plus m3. This is the second condition, the second case. So very simple. So let us consider, in this one let us consider, so one end of the string is connected to the pulley, the other string, other end of the string is connected to the support or fixed to a support or fixed to a roof of the floor also, roof of the tower also. Okay, in the everything no problem, anything is connected 3 blocks of masses m1 m2 m3. The blocks are A, B, C, is connected, is passing through over a pulley. So one side is, one block is hanging, other side 2 blocks are hanging with connected to a string, connected to a string. For example, this is the m2 mass is 3 kg, m2 mass. Okay, m3 case, m3 mass is 4 kg and m1 is 5 kg. Okay, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 greater than 5. 7 greater than 5. In this one, m2 m3 is a more mass compared to m1 mass. Then acceleration is acting downward direction. Acceleration is depend upon the mass. Okay, m2 plus m3 greater than m1. m2 plus m3 greater than m1. Then write the equations and the simplifications. Then find out acceleration. A is equal to m2 plus m3 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 into g. Then t1 is equal to, in the previous condition, first condition, take a 2 block system is passing through over pulley. T1 is equal to 2 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2. In the same way, t1 is equal to 2 m1. Okay, here m2 is the, in these two, m2 plus m3, m2 plus m3 into g by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, that condition 2 tensile force acting. In this condition 3 tensile force. So because 3 blocks are connected in a string, okay, that T3 is equal to 4 m1 into m2 plus m3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 into g. Then T2 is equal to 2 m1 m3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 into g. Okay, this is the second condition. Okay, next to third condition. Okay, let us consider, take two blocks A and B of masses m1 and m2 respectively. These two blocks is passing through a pulley on the table. So like in this one. The corner of the table is fixed to a pulley, a block of mass m1 and another block is m2 is over a pulley, is connected to string in this way, is connected through string. The pulley and string are massless. There is no friction between pulley and string. At any instant of the string, the tensional force is same, that is T. Okay, this side is the tensional force is at T. Okay, this is the tensional force T. The acceleration is acting forward direction. So because m2 greater than m1, the m2 is more mass compared to m1 mass. m2 greater than m1. So first to draw the free body diagram. First to m1. So T acting so forward direction. m1g is acting so downward direction. m1g and forward direction, acceleration is acting forward direction. Okay, take only x-axis, not y-axis. Then T is equal to m1a. Then next to take T2 block. m2g is acting downward direction. One tensional force, the tensional force is acting along the string. The acceleration due to gravity is acting vertically downward direction. First write m2g minus T is equal to m2a. So T value substitute in this place of T. Then A is equal to m2g by m1 plus m2. A is equal to m2g by m1 plus m2. Then T is equal to m1 m2 into g by m1 plus m2. This is the tensional force. So two blocks of masses m1 m2 is passing over a pulley connected to the string. The pulley and string, these two are massless. There is no friction between pulley and string. Then the tensional force is same. T and T. This is third condition. Okay, next fourth condition, take inclined plane. Okay, inclined plane case, fourth case. So making an angle theta, a block is m1, the end of the inclined plane is fixed to a pulley, is connected to string to the mass m1 and m2 block. m1 and m2 block. the tensional force acting only in this case the tensional force is same because the pulley and string are massless. There is no friction between pulley and string. Pulley and string. Then find out acceleration and tensional force. Find out acceleration and tensional force. The acceleration is acting downward direction. So M2 greater than M1. First to take M1 block. M1 block. M1G acting downward direction. M1G acting a downward direction. So making an angle theta. Making an angle theta. Theta. Okay, theta is resolved into two component. One is the horizontal component, another one is the vertical component. M1 cos theta. Okay, in this side vertically component M1 sin theta. Tensional force is acting forward direction. Then acceleration also acting in the forward direction. First write the equation. T minus M1. Okay, M1G. M1G sin theta. Okay, M1G and M1G cos theta. Okay, M1G sin theta is equal to M1A. M1A. Take block to M2 block. M2G acting downward direction. The tensile force is acting upward direction. The acceleration due to gravity is acting downward direction. First write acceleration is acting downward direction. First write M2G. M2G minus T is equal to M2A. M2A. Okay, then T is equal to M2G minus M2A. This value substitute in the place of T. First to find out acceleration. A is equal to M2 minus M1 sin theta by M1 plus M2 into G. M2 minus M1 sin theta by M1 plus M2 into G. Then next to the tensional force T is equal to M1 M2 into 1 plus sin theta by M1 plus M2 into G. This is the tensile force. Actually formula tensile force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Okay, this total condition is the mass M into G, mg. Okay, T is equal to tensile force. That means tensile force is the one of the force. F is equal to ma. Okay, in the case of freely falling condition, the block is the body is falling downward direction, then A is equal to G condition, then F is equal to mg, then the weight is equal to mg. In this block system, passing over a pulley or connected block with a string also, the M2 is block is acting downward direction, then M2G, that is the mg minus tensile force is equal to mass into acceleration, ma, mass into acceleration. This is the fourth condition. Condition, so triangular shaped body, so making an angles alpha and beta. Okay, in this the top of the triangle is fixed to a pulley. So two blocks M1 and M2 M1 and M2 is passing through is connected to blocks, connected to string, passing through a pulley, the acceleration is acting forward direction. Then find out the tensional force and acceleration of the block. First to take M1 block. The tensional force is acting. So only one tensional force, the tensional force is same because the pulley and string is massless. String and pulley are massless. There is no friction between pulley and string. Okay, T is acting forward direction. So downward direction M1G, so making an angle theta, that is alpha. M1G cos alpha, horizontal component, and vertically component is the M1G sin alpha. The acceleration is acting forward direction. First write the equation. So take only x-axis, T minus M1G sin alpha is equal to M1A. T minus M1G sin alpha is equal to M1A. The next to take T2 M2 block. Okay, in this one M2 block, okay, M2G acting in this direction, vertically direction, is resolved into two components. So making an angle beta, M2G cos beta and M2G sin beta. The beta is the making an angle is resolved into two components, horizontal component, vertically component. One is the tensional force acting along the string and the acceleration is acting downward direction. First write M2G sin beta minus T is equal to M2A. M2G sin beta minus T is equal to M2A. Then acceleration A is equal to M2 sin beta minus M1 sin alpha by M1 plus M2 into G. This is the acceleration. Next, tensional force. So these two are simplification. The tensional force T is equal to M1 M2 into sin alpha plus sin beta into G by M1 plus M2. This is the fifth case. Okay, it's very important for Olympiad level and NEET level and JEE mains level. Okay, it's very important. Hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.